some things that you can look for if you want to buy sustainably sourced wood furniture or even wood flooring. Hi everyone, it's Carol from Discover Interior Design, and I'm so glad you're here. Well, in this video, we're going to talk about a couple things to look for so that you know a product that you're buying made out of wood is sustainably sourced. And what does the word sustainable mean? A product that is considered to be sustainable is that it meets the needs of the present generation without compromising the needs of future generations. So if you want to purchase something made out of wood and you just want to make sure that it's eco-friendly and that it's sustainably sourced, one thing you can look for is that that product is made out of renewable resources. And renewable resources are usually plant-based. So a plant that naturally replenishes itself within a short amount of time that exceeds human depletion of the resource. And so that means maybe a plant typically renews itself in cycles of 10 years or less. So one example of a renewable resource is bamboo, which is a very fast-growing grass. And this material is actually really durable, and we use it a lot for wood flooring for that reason, because it is very durable and it's really attractive. Another renewable resource is palm, which is the byproduct of coconut plantation. And they use strands of the palm, which they call palm wood, to create flooring. And it's actually a really great durable flooring. So another alternative to bamboo. And another type of grass that is used is wheatgrass. And there are what's called wheatgrass boards available now that you can use, say, instead of medium density fiberboard or particle board. And so examples of this would be, say you want to redo your kitchen and you want to take out your existing cabinets and you want to put in new cabinetry. You could use the wheatgrass board for the boxes of those different cabinets, or the drawers, or the shelves, or even the doors. And then another type of renewable resource that's not a grass but is actually part of a tree is cork. So cork is the bark of the cork tree. And the bark of the cork tree regenerates every 9 to 10 years. And lots of times we can find cork available in flooring, say flooring tiles or flooring planks or strips. But it also can be used on walls. Cork flooring is great because it's very soft and it's pest resistant, and it even has sound dampening qualities. But a couple things to think about. Cork flooring may be more expensive. Also, that it scratches or divots very easily. So if you have a piece of furniture sitting on the cork floor, it may leave a little indent where it was sitting on the floor. And also, cork flooring is not waterproof, though there are certain products now that are sealed, so they do provide a more waterproof, resistant wear and durability. One thing you may want to keep in mind is that maybe you wouldn't want to place it in your bathroom or your kitchen or even in an entryway. And another option that you could look for would be to find something that's made out of reclaimed wood. So wood that is salvaged from old buildings and it's repurposed into something new, maybe like flooring. And another thing that you can look for is furniture or flooring or any other type of wood products that are sourced from sustainably managed forests. And there are a number of organizations in the United States and in Europe and around the world that provide accreditation, or that they certify certain forests as being sustainably managed. One of those organizations that we use here in North America is the Forest Stewardship Council. And their definition of a sustainably managed forest is that the forest is managed in a way that keeps forests healthy and usable for local communities and society as a whole for generations to come. another certification program that's used in Europe is what's called the Europe Program for the Endorsement of Forest Certification. And both of these organizations, along with other organizations that follow these same guidelines, will let you know that the product, the piece of furniture you're buying, or flooring, or building materials is sourced from sustainably managed forests. And both of these organizations have databases online where you can check to see which forests are sustainably managed, or maybe even find out retailers or even manufacturers who produce and sell furniture or flooring or building materials, anything that is sourced from a sustainable managed forest. And I'll leave the link to both of those databases in this video's description. So when you're online or in person, or maybe you even want to have something custom made, one thing you can do is just kind of check about those three things. You can check to see if the product is made from renewable resources, or maybe it's from reclaimed wood, or if that wood itself is from a sustainably managed forest. Another thing that you can do is just have fun and go out and buy something used. So going to a thrift shop or a vintage shop or flea markets and just having fun buying something that has a vintage look to it, but that you can enjoy in your place. And then the other thing that you can think about doing if you want to reuse and repurpose building materials or other features that are in our home, like kitchen cabinets, is to shop at places like the Habitat for Humanity's restores, where they stock building materials, kitchen cabinets, and flooring, and all sorts of things that people donate to them so that they can be reused in someone else's home. And the other thing that you can do if you want to take everything a step further is to think about indoor air quality and making sure the wood furniture, the wood flooring that you're buying, anything that you're buying made out of a wood material or wood product is complying with indoor air quality guidelines. And here in the United States, we have what's called the GreenGuard seal or GreenGuard accreditation, which lets us know when we see that label on a piece of furniture that it complies with those indoor air quality standards. And there's also what's called GreenGuard Gold, which is where materials and furniture are tested even more rigorously. And this is really appropriate to use on children's furniture. So that's something I would look for if you want to buy, say, a wood crib for your child's bedroom. And I'd love to find out from you if you have any questions on this topic and anything else that we can think about when we want to look for sustainably sourced wood furniture or wood products for our home. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.